Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. I'm here in Granite Bay, California, and this is actually a model home that's being sold. So I'm gonna give you guys a little peek at it. It's just under 3,000 square feet. This is Granite Bay too, by the way. An amazing area, beautiful day. It is just under 3,000 square feet. They're asking about 1.285 million. That's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And it's amazing inside, as you can see. So as you walk into the left is first like an office space, and everything you see in here furniture wise is available to be purchased, which is sort of cool. Left, you walk into one of the half baths. The other two are full baths. But as you walk in, look at how beautiful this is. Just an amazing job. Even the underside lights, sort of cool, right? All the cabinets, soft close, appliances, even your personal coffee maker for all you coffee lovers out there. That is the 3-car garage. That's currently the sales rep building, but they are building that out right now. To the 3-car garage. Pantry on this left side, which is pretty cool. And have your backyard. It's not super big because it is a new build, but it is a decent size for a new build community. Got your wine rack with an extra pantry to the right of that. But you do have a super cool bar here as well. What do you think about that backsplash? Let me know what you think in the comments. From 1 to 10, rate that backsplash. But here's sort of a broader look from this area. Open living space, which is amazing. I love it. Fireplace, kitchen, living room. We'll take a peek upstairs. I'll show you the backyard at the very end. But going upstairs, I actually looked at these several months ago for a client because it's right off Douglas and Auburn Folsom, which is pretty close. Folsom Lake is literally 2 minutes away. The freeway is about 5 to 10 minutes away, so it's pretty well located. It's right next to Folsom. So as you walk in, here's the master bedroom. Got the beams, which is amazing. Super cool look. Here's your master bedroom. And then you walk into your master bathroom. Shower. Bathroom walk-in closet for one person. I believe there's another one going back around. So view of that. Second walk-in closet, probably for the ladies. They love their clothes and shoes and all their goodies, so there you go. Which then leads into the laundry room, so it sort of wraps through laundry room. Wraps through to the main living area as you walk up the stairs, but if we take a right, the other two bathrooms, there's a second full bath, second bedroom. I actually like this look too. Sort of like a rustic look to the room. Let me know what you think. Here's the second bedroom, closet. And last but not least, here's your third bedroom right here. with a walk-in closet as well, as you can see. But actually, it's a pretty cool layout. Not a bad layout. I have a little loft area up here, and this is sort of what it looks like down below. Let me go show you the backyard, which, like I said, for a new build community is not bad. They do have a pool, an event center in here. They are building more things. But here's your backyard. Right here, there is a main road, which leads to Folsom Lake, so it could be a little noisy. But a pretty cool little backyard for a new build. Fireplace out here, TV. Like I said, this was the model home, one of them. There was two of them that they were able to show off, and now they're selling it. And if you come around here, you sort of have like a side area with a barbecue right there. Not bad, and that just wraps around to the front of the house right there. That's the front door, and you walk into the kitchen. So anyway, that is it. Let me know what you guys think. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate it and why? Did you like it? Did you not like it? And if you have any questions about it, go ahead and check my profile. My email is austinsoldanohomes@gmail.com. I'll post that in the description with my phone number. Any questions, reach out. Not only about this house, but purchasing in the area, Placer County, Sacramento County. Be happy to help answer any questions and help you out. Anyway, that is it. I hope you have a great day. Peace.